fucking thing recording or what? Holy shit. Hey honey, I don't know if you remember this bridge. This is north of Regina. Holy crap. Looks like they got a little bit of water. Oh. Maybe even a flood or two. Well, no, it's not as bad as Joe Man said, I don't think. You look at that over there. Oh, well, maybe it is as bad. Water over there. Right here, it's about a foot from the road. Oh yeah, it's got a foot to rise still. Frickin' believable.